Hi all, this video is created to show you how to delink or unlink pivot tables or pivot charts from the same source. For example, I've created a pivot table and pivot chart from these data tables. Alright, but let's say when I filter by location, let's say I filter Beijing, right? Both pivot chart and pivot table will be changed. This is because both of these pivot are using the same cache data. So for example, I have one pivot chart showing in Beijing, London, Paris. If I just copy and paste, copy and paste to make another chart. When I choose maybe just Beijing and London, right? Both pivot chart will change. So I can't show one chart Beijing, one chart London. Right. So if I choose Beijing, both will be Beijing. Or Beijing, London, right? Or London, Paris, right? So what should you do? What do you need to do if you want to have one with Beijing, London, and one London, Paris? So because the Excel store all the pivot data in cache, you need to create another pivot. But you need to use this way to create. First, you need to alternate plus D, then you press P. Right? So alternate D, P. Right? So you have a pivot table and pivot chart wizard. So choose Microsoft Excel list or database, right? And then here you can either choose pivot table or pivot chart, but for this purpose I want to do a pivot chart. So I click on pivot chart, I click on next. What data I want to see? So I want to see all these, the same data. And then you click on next. Now Excel will ask you, your new report will use less memory if you base it on your existing report pivot table 1, which was created from the same source data. Do you want your new report to be based on the same data as your existing report? If you click yes, you will save memory and your workbook file will be smaller. If you click no, the two reports will be separate. So because we want to have two different charts, right? So we have to click no. And then it will ask you where to put the pivot table. So just click on the sheet 2 and then click on the empty cell. Maybe here. Okay. Now you just drag, right, all your values. This one you want it to be a line chart, right? So now let's say you want Paris and London, right? See, now you have two different charts, one Beijing, London, one London, Paris. So if you want to do more chart, just follow my steps. So what you do is, remember, alternate D, right? Alternate D, then you press P. Alright. Hope this helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe and give this video a like. Thank you very much. Bye bye.